Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna solve this series convergence problem. That here is the series, summation series is given and we have to find whether this series converges or diverges, and in the end we have to just explain our conclusion. So here this is the summation of two series. So this is series 1 and this is series 2. So by the property of summation, like suppose summation A plus B. So we can write this as summation of A and summation of B. So from this property we can just break down this series as n is equal to 1 to infinite. This is n square minus sigma n 1 to infinite. This will become 1 upon 2 to the power n. Now we can assume this series as S1 and this series as S2, and we will find them separately. So for S1 first, if we will write this series again, so it is basically 1 divided by n to the power 2, and we can compare this series by 1 divided by n to the power p. Then here the value of p is equal to 2. Then by p series test, since p is equal to 2 is greater than 1, it means S1 converges, and here we have used the p series test. Now for the second series, that is S2. So S2 we can write this series as n is equal to 1 to infinite 1 divided by 2 to the power n. So if we will just expand this, so what we will get? 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2 square, 1 divided by 2 cube plus dash up to infinite. So from the pattern that is given above, we can easily determine that this is a infinite geometric series, and the first term of this geometric series is 1 by 2 and the common ratio is 1 by 2. So if we will find the sum of this geometric series, we know that it is 1 upon a minus r. Since mod r is less than 1, because mod r is 1 by 2 less than 1, so we can use the geometric series, infinite geometric series summation. So we can write this as 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So if we will solve this, so sum is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So it is 1. So this series summation is 1. So we can say that S2 also converges. Since S1 converges and S2 converges, then from this we can say that S1 minus S2 definitely converges, because both have finite values. So this is the conclusion that we have drawn from the above series. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website. That is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.